Very dizzy with the red smoke is red 5. He's one of the and he is a second-year pilot with the Red Arrows. He's a former floor constructor. Operationally, he has flown both the Harrier GR9 and the Tornado GR4 before donning his red seats for the first time last year. That finishes over to our front left. Looks directly ahead now for Jippo. Smoke comes on, get your cameras ready. Reds 8 and 9 pitch up to roll around 6 and 7. They then perform their own rolls, ready for the Jippo break. With the team, his background is solely on the Tornado GR4, where he spent 3 tours. He flew over Iraq, Afghanistan and Libya and became a qualified weapons instructor. For the Sea Crew pair now descending for their final manoeuvre on the display. These are the double rolls. Ladies and gentlemen, please a big round of applause for the Sea Crew pair! Back in a 7 ships Vixen formation directly ahead. Ready for the Vixen break. You've been watching the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red! One puts his smoke onto the other knee, takes out the knee, gets with him, they go back at 9 jets, and recovers to Whitehall Airport, where our team of crews now making service the aircraft, and around 2:30 this afternoon, we're going to take off from Blackpool and fly to Bordeaux, where we have a display this afternoon, and we're into Europe, where there is shows around Europe. But ladies and gentlemen, that was the last few days display for the Red Arrows 50th display.